Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Identify the hard drive and unplug the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the hard drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the assembly and secure it with the 4 screws. Plug in the hard drive cables and place the assembly back in the system. Tighten the 4 screws and reconnect the assembly cables. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 8 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.